viewers, I am Lokesh. I welcome you back to Skyrider Electric's YouTube channel. It's been real long since I got you any video and I found this vehicle at a factory. So it's a new model that has been made for certain of our customer. So I found this new video and I just asked of our cameraman, let's pick up the camera and make a video out of it. So today with me, I have got the Skyrider Electric's new two-seater loader. So if you got to carry loads of about 500 to 600 kgs in your factory, in your industry or in your plant, then worry not. This is the most sustainable solution that we have got at Skyrider Electric for you. So as I said, this is the two-seater e-loader that can carry or haul a load of about 500 to 600 kgs. Now if I come at the front of the vehicle, you got this pristine, this beautiful grey color which is completely a matte finish and looks extremely beautiful in person on the vehicle. So at the front, as you have already seen in most of our vehicles, you got two powerful LED headlights that offer great illumination at night. And over here you got the company's branding. Down here you got a sturdy front crash guard that prevents the vehicles or protects it from getting damaged in case of any frontal collision. At the front you got 165/60 12-inch tires from Bridgestone. Now if I come down to the side of the vehicle, over here you can see the beautiful alloys of the vehicle. Yes, it is dirty because it has gone for a testing, because as you know, any vehicle that we roll off from our assembly line is well tested and well proven. So over here you got the 12-inch alloys in a star sort of design, and these are diamond cut alloys again, which look very beautiful and offer you great durability throughout the life of the vehicle. Coming to the rear, you get again 12-inch tires at the rear axle as well. So there are obviously two tires and both of them are 12 inches along with a mud guard for preventing the splashing of mud while you drive it inside your factory. And coming over here, you got a 4 feet by 3 feet payload deck that is going to carry a load of 500 to 600 kgs, and it has got locking clamps over here, very sturdy, very good quality of locking clamps that have been provided over here, which are again gonna seal your doors, hold the door flaps firmly so that your load does not move while you are in motion. So this vehicle offers you full control of your load. Now if you come down to the rear, over here you got very simplistic design rather, I would say, and you have two LED tail lights. These are integrated tail lights which offer you the function of tail lamp, brake light, reverse light and turn indicators when in function, which we will be showing you at one point. Now coming down to the right side, again over here you got another openable door flap right here, which is obviously openable and gets closed when not in need. You got hinges to help you with the opening and closing of the doors, and on the left you again have the 12-inch tires with your plastic mud guards to prevent the splashing of mud all over. Now if you come slightly forward, here you get the driver cabin. So the driver cabin, this is what it looks like. Now there have been certain modifications to the driver cabin of our vehicles these days, like in the kind of seat that we provide, like in certain minimalistic features rather, I would say, which help in like enhancing the overall functionality of the vehicle. So right here you got very cushiony seats, very comfortable seats. So the backrest over here is contoured, so offers you very good comfort while you are driving the vehicle. And onto the floor over here again you get this insulated sheet which prevents the passing of any electrical shocks in case of any sort of damage. And this is a new addition that has been done to our overall vehicle lineup, which is the parking brake housing. So that holds on to the parking brake lever, prevents damage to the parking brake lever in case of any mishap. So that just is one of the flawless modifications or additions that we have done to our vehicle. And on the dashboard here you got two cup holders, your ignition key, your fully digital instrument cluster, and therein you have your SOC meter which shows you the battery voltage. Coming on to the driver's side, over here you got the agenda board type steering wheel, and over here this is the innovation that we brought into the segment of golf carts, which is of the CLF technology or combi lever function technology. One lever for all functions. So I'll just turn the key on and I'll just give you a glance of how it works. So basically this is a lever which helps actuate your turn indicators both for the left and right, helps you select between the driving modes. This is your reverse mode and this is your forward mode. helps you turn on and off your headlights as well, and also got the horn right here. So this is one of the innovations, I would say, innovations that we have brought into the segment of golf carts. Now, if I come down to the technicalities, this vehicle is available in lithium and lead acid options depending upon your requirement. Lithium gives you a 3 years warranty, lead acid comes with a 1 year warranty, and definitely lithium is more preferable as it is less hassle-free to own, more easier to own. You got a complete maintenance-free battery that requires very least maintenance throughout its cycle lives. And again, coming down to the suspension, leaf spring suspensions with a powerful 2 kilowatt motor that gives you 28 to 32 Newton meters of peak torque to haul your loads. So I hope guys you like the vehicle that we have brought in for you. So do let us know what do you think of the vehicle, because anyways, viewers' opinions matter to us and we do hear into our customers. So do let us know what you think of this two-seater functional electric heavy hauler that can be very much appropriate for your industry, for your factory. Do connect with us, comment down below, and in case you got any purchase inquiry, call us on the numbers mentioned below. We will also put the numbers in the description button as well, in the description as well. So do follow us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more such updates from Skyrider Electric. So this is Lokesh signing off from Skyrider Electric with the two-seater electric loader. Thank you.